everybody, Carolyn Caldwell here from Caldwell Evolution with day 12 of how to get stuff done. 30 tips in 30 days. So today is all about taking action. I have been catching up on some continuing education credits for my recertification for my Certified Professional Organizer. And I decided that since I am moving to a Certified Productivity Coach credential next year, that I would focus on productivity and time management. And I am really struck with the number of times that the productivity specialists talk about the value of taking action. If you want something to happen, if you want something done, the only way to do it is to take action. Either you do it or you have somebody do it for you. So for example, I'm sitting in our lovely backyard, which has a pretty nice garden, I have to admit, but it's springtime, and so the garden does have perhaps more than the usual number of weeds. If I want those weeds gone, there's only two ways to get them done. Either I take them out or I pay somebody else to take them out. Now I suppose I could find a volunteer, but finding a volunteer for weeding around our house, not likely. So probably either I'm going to take them out or I'm going to pay somebody else to take them out. I'm sitting here beside the, sage, which is beautifully in bloom in purple. So if you have a project or something that you need to get done, the only way to get it done is actually to do it. Now for people that suffer from procrastination and are trying to manage procrastination, taking a look at them and saying, well, just do it, just go do it, is really not very helpful. And it's not very helpful for anybody who is managing ADHD. Individuals who are managing ADHD frequently have a situation where they have every intention of doing something and they're not even entirely sure why they didn't do it. So to look at them and say, just go do it, is really not very helpful. So instead, what I'd like to suggest is that you take action, but it might be any piece of action that will move you forward. And this does go back to being overwhelmed with organizing projects, lots of decisions, lots of tasks, lots of steps. And I talked about just taking one step forward. With productivity, in order to take an action, you actually need to take a step. You need to take an action. But it might not be a perfect action. It might just be any action. So if you are struggling with procrastination and if you are trying to get something done, I suggest that you take action. Find one step to move yourself forward on that particular activity or on that particular project. What happens when you take action is that it starts to create energy around the project for you. It'll also give you confidence that you actually started to get that particular thing done, whatever the thing is. It'll create confidence, it'll create energy, and it will start to move you down the path. So whatever the next step on the path is, it's always easier to get there if you've taken the first step. I hope that's helpful, everybody, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye now.